Finally, you can achieve authentic, wood-fired 4-cheese and mushroom pizza in just 2 minutes without leaving the house or using a brick oven. And this 4-cheese pizza is just one of the styles you'll get to enjoy in next to no time. Now, the recommended cook time for the wood-fired setting is 2 minutes. Pretty quick. But before you get your pizza base ready, you'll want to preheat the oven. To do that, insert the pizza stone into the oven cavity. Turn the style dial to the wood-fired setting. The time dial lights will illuminate with the recommended time for the setting. You can adjust the time by turning this dial. You'll notice the temp light start to flash, which indicates that the oven is preheating. Once the temp light stops flashing and stays on, the oven is ready for use. Perfect. The oven is now ready. So, we'll use the pizza peel to place the pizza directly on the pizza stone. Just don't use the peel if you're using the pizza pan. Now that's in, press the time dial to start the countdown timer. The way that the wood-fired setting works is that it uses extremely high heat to cook the dough. It creates a malleable crust with a distinct blister and charring. See? Just like that. Leopard spotting like a pro. Oh, a handy tip when cooking any type of pizza is to make sure that your oven is preheated before placing the pizza into the oven. If you're cooking multiple pizzas, wait until the At Temp light turns solid before loading your next pizza. And if you're cooking different types of pizzas, be sure to start with the type that uses the lowest temperature. So, wood-fired pizza would be the last lot you'd cook. At the end of the cooking cycle, the oven alert will sound and the time dial lights will flash and then go out. You can now remove your pizza. Well, this looks delicious. And I can't believe it only took 2 minutes.